Assalamu alaikum, how are you all? This is tutorial part 3, Aldar Tower in Dubai. So now I want to continue the tutorial part 3, and I create this in the tutorial part 1 and tutorial part 2. Okay, so if you don't watch the tutorial, so I request you please watch the tutorial. And now this is tutorial part 3. Okay, so let's start. What I do now, go to the architectural and components model in place. Okay, and I select here this here I select any. I have all upload tutorial and this components. Okay, you can visit my channel and find that tutorial. This is a detailed tutorial how to use the components. So now I use this wall. Okay, and I click on this sweep. Okay, and click this pick path. Okay, and now I click this one and click this finish. Okay, so now I go to the east elevation and create here the profile. Okay, so edit profile, and this line I create here like this and like this. Okay, so again here a little bit here. Okay, so line here. Okay, and like this. Okay, and again from line here to here. Okay, delete this one. Now this is the profile I create. You can create this is my idea, just I create like this. Click on this finish. Okay, again finish. Okay, so now this is create the again finish and click on this 3D view. So this is create the one side. Okay, so what I do, just I create here one line. Okay, go to architectural, this line. Okay, this line from here, this is straight line. Okay, one straight line here. This just only reference. Okay, and go to and select this all. Select this all. Okay, go to level 1 and mirror. Click on this mirror. Okay, from here to here. Okay, and now click on this 3D. So this is the now this is finish and create the Aldar Tower in Dubai. So I hope you like this tutorial, and if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.